Hi, today I'm Samsung Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then scroll down to advanced features. After that, tap to screenshots and screen recorder. Here you'll see screen recorder settings. Just to change video quality, you should just tap on the video quality section and switch it from high to medium or to low one. Also, we got one more way how we can launch the screen recording settings. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, then somewhere here find screen recorder icon. Hold for a while this icon, and by the same way we can switch here the video quality of our screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.